In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create multi-column text boxes in PowerPoint. If you've ever wanted your slide text to look more like a magazine layout with 2 or 3 neat columns, this is exactly what you need. Multi-column text keeps content readable and compact, and it's great for lists, short paragraphs, or side-by-side comparisons without cluttering your slide with multiple separate text boxes. Start by selecting the text box you want to split into columns. Click once to select the box, or click inside it if you're already typing. This is important because the column layout only applies to the text box that's selected. It won't change other text boxes on your slide. If you don't see the option we're about to use, it usually means no text box is active. With your text box selected, go to the Home tab on the ribbon. In the paragraph group, look for the Columns button. Click it, and you'll see quick choices for 2 or 3 columns. If you already know you want a simple split, choose one of those, and you'll instantly see your text flow into columns. You can switch between 2 and 3 at any time, and PowerPoint will reflow the content automatically. For more control, click More Columns. This opens a dialog where you can fine-tune the layout. Here, you can confirm the number of columns and adjust the spacing between them. A slightly wider spacing can improve readability, especially if your font is small or your text box is narrow. If you want a visible divider, turn on the option to add a line between columns. This thin rule helps separate content and is especially useful when the slide has a busy background. Take a moment to test different spacing values to see what looks clean and balanced. Keep in mind that very tight spacing can make columns feel cramped, while overly wide spacing can waste space and make the layout feel disconnected. If you're working with titles or bullet points of different lengths, don't worry. PowerPoint dynamically flows the text from the left column to the right, keeping everything aligned. When your settings look good, click OK to apply the multi-column layout to the selected text box. The change happens instantly. From here, continue typing or pasting text, and it will automatically fill the columns based on your choices. If you ever want to tweak the layout, return to the same columns options and adjust as needed. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can turn a simple text box into a clean, professional multi-column layout that's easier to read and looks great on any slide.